finally got me a GoPro. Time to take this out for a spin. Let's go. All right, got this weird ass thing on my head. Feels funny, but let's do this. Hopefully it's positioned correctly. Oh, let's get me into a 4 high first. I don't feel. Eh, 4A I meant. Oh yeah. Wait till I get out here to this highway. It's gonna be great. Hopefully I got enough battery in this thing. Oh fuck, I forgot the charger. Not like the old backcountry roads. I wouldn't mind too much living out in the country. Did it once before. Make all the noise I want, don't have to worry about neighbors. Put this thing in Baja mode or Baja exhaust mode. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that right here. This is a pretty good daily driver, I have to say. I really do enjoy it. Like every time I get into the truck to go to work from getting off of work, you know, it's just like those last few minutes, it's like, oh, I can't wait. The suspension in this is great. Hello, random guy. I don't really feel bumps. Them 37-inch tires. Oh yeah. This is gonna take some getting used to around my forehead. Feels funny. I'm gonna mess with it. All right, little uphill. That was really quick to get to. Holy crap, dude. That was a lot quicker than I thought it would be going uphill. That was awesome. This does really giddy up whenever you have it on 4H compared to, I'm sorry, 4A compared to 2H. Also may drain your gas a little more, but I mean, you know, pay for fun, pay for the fun. Oh, this will be a great strip right here if it was clear. Especially downhill, oh my god. I bet this will get like 3 seconds or under. 0 to 60. Had to make a little pit stop. There's a Ram. I think it was a Ram truck. I forget it was. There's a Ram truck on the road who actually thought it was a good idea to try to race. Didn't work out too well, but I mean, it was fun. About to see how much this is gonna fill up. How much this is gonna cost. Oh, that's not bad at all. All right, let's see how much gas that got me from 132 miles. $393. Okay, 60 bucks. Not too bad for premium. All right, so here we are again. I'm gonna try to get my taillights tinted, and hopefully it works out this time, because apparently these 2023s are hard to do, because not a whole lot of people can do them. I've called around, trust me. So Hopefully we're gonna go all the way, 40-minute drive. Hopefully this works out today. We'll see. All right, so here we are, getting the tent finally done here with Jamie. Jamie, like, how long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this since 2020. I started the business with CT Dipping, and then I branched out to my own brand, which is my own brand, which is Exotic Wraps. And Exotic Wraps, I started that in 21, and I started off in Lenexa, Kansas, moved to Missouri side, and this is our shop in Blue Springs now.
Awesome. All right. Cool, man. Hey, it looks like he's been busy here taking apart this other Raptor right here.
Yep. And so it's going to satin black.
Satin black. Oh, that's gonna look cool, man. Oh yeah, I see here. You got some of this going. Yeah. Makes you feel a little better that, you know, you're already fully working on a Raptor.
Yeah,
You know, yeah,
exactly,
it makes you feel a little better.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. And it's going to be going to smoke black, I believe.
Yeah,
that's right.
Dark smoke black.
Dark smoke black. Okay. And we're going to get that light up there. I was going to do the front, but I think the fronts are kind of good. I think because there's no real chrome in these, so I say this is going to be just fine. Besides, it's got a Raptor badge right there. So, all right. I'm going to let him do his work, and we'll see after. All right, here we go. So what you going to do?
So now I finished tinting the tail light. Now I'm getting ready to remove the extra wrap that I cut. Now here's the finished product of a fully tinted tail light on the Ford Raptor.
Yeah, let's see here. Looks good, man.
Appreciate that, man.
Yeah. Matches the paint.
Yeah, definitely gonna look way better with the black on.
Yeah.
So you can get
For
it before and
sure.
after.
So what year is this?
This one I believe is a 23.
23.
Ford
Awesome.
Raptor, yes.
Awesome. Cool. Tint looks pretty good. How long do you think it's going to take for you to finish this one?
This one should be done on the 31st.
31st?
So, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, this one should be done on the 31st. Let's see.
Is this for you or is this for a customer?
That's your customer.
Oh, okay.
So on this one, I had to remove the bed. So I basically removed all the screws from the inside of the bed.
Okay.
There should be like at least four or six in the inside. And then once I remove that, I'm able to lift the bed out the way so I can get in between here.
Oh, gotcha.
So I can wrap the inside. So you won't see any white behind there.
That's all right.
Yeah.
Guy definitely knows what he's doing. Cool. All right. Got the other side done. Looks pretty good. Even got the little light right up there. Let's see here if we can get some light. There we go. Oh, yeah. Yeah, dude, looks pretty good. I guess since we're here, what else are you doing with this? And this here is apparently this also is a Raptor R, a 2023, same as that, except I guess they've got more tunes on that.
Yeah, they did. The owner said he did a tune-up on there, and he bought it from his friend, but like he said, he just bought it, brought it to me, and he don't really know everything about it yet.
Oh.
But he soon will be.
Okay, so he's
having his
figuring it
vehicle
out.
back,
Okay.
on the 31st.
It's pretty sick, man. I've never seen like this was the only one I've seen. Now there's two in the same room. That's pretty wow.
Yeah, exactly.
Two Raptor Rs in the same room. That's awesome. I know we're gonna have him pull this out, see what it looks like. All right. and start this up, pull it out. All right, man. So where can people find you?
You can find me on Google Maps, GPS. We on there on Exotic Wraps, and so we just moved here about 6 months ago. So this is our new location, coming from Kansas to Missouri side. So if you can go on Google, you can search Exotic Wraps, Exotic with a K, and Wraps with a Z at the end. You'll find us.
All right. Hell yeah, man. All right, let's go get this taken care of.
What's your name on YouTube?
Oh, it's a Raptor Life.
Raptor Life?
Yeah.
I'll go ahead and subscribe.
Oh.
Yep, and I'm on there on Exotic Wraps.
Oh, cool.
So this is me right here.
Oh, awesome.
Yep.
What's that? I appreciate it.
No problem, man. No problem.
I'm making good luck with your business. Good luck with that.
Yeah, appreciate that. Appreciate that.
I appreciate it.
All right.
Yeah.
You take care, man.
Yeah, you too. Shifts really quick. Oh, I love this thing. All right, so here we are at the Hook and Reel on one of my friend's birthdays. Never been here before. I think it's like Asian, Chinese, or like, Mark, what is this again? Seafood? Crab?
Cajun seafood.
Yeah, that was my second guess. What is this? Crab fries?
Mm-hmm. Hold on, we gotta
Interesting.
Eat that while watching yourself.
What's this?
That is calamari.
What is it called?
It's called calamari.
You completely destroyed that. Death. That's okay. I'll take that home.
I want him to
And
take
we'll
her out. Oh wait, did you take the
Alright guys, I appreciate all the views on the first video and all the likes. They really helped me out, so thank you so much. And here soon I'm going to go off-road with it. So about this weekend coming up, that's going to be awesome. Can't wait to do that. But again, appreciate you guys like and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Off to work we go!